After metric exams, I chose FSC Nursing because I want to serve community. The teachers here are truly care about our success. This program is preparing me for my dream of becoming a nurse. At Oriental College, we provide experienced and qualified faculty, a state-of-art science and nursing labs, career counseling and academic support, clinical trainings and practical exposure, a secure and disciplined learning environment. Join Oriental College and take the first step towards a bright future in nursing. Admissions are now open. Apply today and make a difference in tomorrow's world.